Okay, hello and welcome to Social Chats part 2 of the user login and registration with a blog with admin features once you've logged in. Okay, so in this part we will be processing the login. Just processing the login, so not so much just in this part because the next part will be a massive chunk. Okay, so start. Okay, so first we need to do $row equals MySQL underscore fetch underscore associative MySQL underscore query select USR pass from users, which I will show you how to create in a minute. So where USR equals $_post user and pass equals $_post u pass. Okay, so that's first little bit done. So now we need to do if $row USR. So this bit here is basically just checking to see if that user exists and you have typed down his correct details like the username and password correctly into the form. So now if everything is okay, log in, just so then you know what's happening. So $_session USR equals $row USR $_session password equals $row upass. So now we need to do if $_session, copy and paste this, let's make it a bit easier, USR and password $login equals true, session underscore start, and print session USR hello. So that'll print out hello and then whatever your username is. Okay, so now we need to do else $login equals true, false, sorry, my mistake, and session underscore destroy. Okay, so after the second one, we need to do if $get action is equal to login, and if what was I going to do? Oh yeah, print hello underscore session USR, 2 line breaks, you are logged in. Okay, now we just need to do a script. Type equals text/JavaScript, then the script, and window.location equals index.php. Okay, now at the end, you might not have this else statement, but at the end of this last curly bracket, if you don't have an else, so this bit, just put that in, and then just type down this. _session USR, not Jello, hello, you are currently logged in. And then 2 line breaks, at href logout, and then it's going to log out .php. Right, so you save this, then you go into logout.php, and you just type this. Start session _destroy print script type text/JavaScript, and the script window.location equals index.php. So basically what this bit is doing is to check if you're logged in and you're not just playing around. This basically means that you're killing your session, so you are logging out. And this bit is obviously just going back to index page, so you have to log back in. Okay, right. So now I will show you how to make the database. Okay, so what you need to do is you should already have a database in your PHPMyAdmin called user. If you don't, then create one. Then basically, in where you create a table, you call it users with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay. And what you need to do with them is, the first one is called ID, and just leave that as integer. And if you scroll to the right hand side, there should be a button called which has the heading of AI. You tick that box. Second one is USR, so for the username. That is a varchar, so under the type, just click on the drop down box and you should see it right underneath. And on the length values is 255, so that basically means the maximum username characters you can have is 255. The same with parse, but instead of USR it's parse. And once again with email, but instead it's email. And once again with reg IP, but once again it is lowercase reg capitals IP. Okay, so thank you for watching part 2 of my latest tutorial. Subscribe, tell your friends, and yeah, I'll be back in a couple hours with part 3. Bye.